Okay, what's up everyone? I'm gonna show you how to mod Darktide because apparently there aren't any good videos and I've been talking to people and I don't know. I've been helping people, I guess. So Nexus Mods, that's where you go and get it. Everyone knows that, right? Alright, I'm not gonna explain too much to you because I don't know, whatever. So to mod Darktide, you're gonna need two base mods. Practically four, really. So the first four the mods you're going to need is the Darktide mod loader, which here I'll show you. Yeah, you do that, hit the download manual. This is a file that helps like whatever downloading. I already have it downloaded, as you can see, because I'm pretty cool. Same with this. Slow download does it in a few seconds. You're also going to need this one as well. I guess I'll download to show you that as well. Okay. Yeah, we only need one example, right? Okay, well, don't need that. But okay, so here's like, all right, yeah, so I save all of my mods to this folder here. It's on my desktop, whatever. Everything you download is going to be zipped. You're going to want to extract it. You know, you can use whatever. You can use a default one and whatever. So the first mod you're going to want to extract is going to be the not the framework, sorry, the loader, because the loader has a bunch of files that will merge with your install path from Steam for Darktide, which can easily be found if you go right-click the game, whatever, go to properties, however so, I don't know, go to local files, and then you go to browse, and this will pull up right to the folder where you need to copy all these files to. Again, here, I don't know, whatever. I don't think this merges. Yeah, it's not that smart. Whoever made this, you're pretty cool, but doesn't work the best, I guess. I don't know. So here's my Warhammer folder. It's the Steam install, Steam apps, common, name of the game, and here. So you're gonna want to take everything in your mod loader file, extract it, whatever, and you want to copy, paste these here. It'll merge a few of the things, like I believe binaries, bundle, and tools will all merge into here. Like I know some of the folders won't actually be here, and some people I know have been confused. Like I don't have a mods loader ? That's what this is doing. You need to put this in here, and this is very important. We'll get to that later. But after you do that, you'll have a mods folder. And the first thing you're going to want to install as a mod is the mod framework. The mod framework goes into the mods folder. As you can see, I have a lot of mods. The base mod folder will already be in here, and the DMF file, Darktide mod framework, whatever, will be the thing you're putting in here. And all of the mods that you install later, like numeric UE or whatever, here, go to that, because no wait, that's a different mod. I don't know what I'm talking about. Animation events, that's the one. You need that one for scoreboard. I know that because the scoreboard is animated a little bit. So you don't want to do this folder. I was confused about that. You don't want this one. You want the one that you zip. Like here's the zip, and then this is the thing you're gonna extract, and you take this and you just put it in here. Like and here's the UE extension. I got that one. Animation events I already have as well. And with all of the mods that you install, this mod loader.txt file is also going to be in here from the Darktide mod loader transfer, whatever. So everything that you put in here as like a mod folder, you want to take the name. I usually just do like a slow double click because that'll get it, copy and like paste it here, but you can type it out individually as well. You just have to make sure you have the right characters, capitalization, spacing, underscoring, all that matters. All right, and then you just want to hit a new line and whatever, and that's how you'll get it. You also want to make sure this is saved. A lot of people, even myself, will write the mods that they're trying to get, and then it doesn't work when they launch it. Yeah, it's because you have to. This has to be saved. Sometimes people forget to save it and close it after all their hard work installing mods, and it's devastating to go through and type all this crap in again. Again, also, if you do install a mod and you don't like it, you don't like the way it works or whatever, you can just delete it off of here. Like if I'm like, hey, I don't want to see my ping in game anymore because now I'm not playing with European people, and they say my ping's not bad, and then I have this mod that'll show me I have like 150 ping, which is makes the people slapping you a little bit more fun when they do it from like 5 feet away. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, take your mods, extract them, copy them. Well, not that one. Like if it has a long name like that, that's just probably for the zipping and whatever. You want the thing in here, and you don't want the one that says scripts and whatever, right? That won't do it, right? Yeah, you get them all in here, have them on the text file, and then there's one last step you're going to have to do, which is going to be running this batch file. Windows or whatever, I don't know. I don't have a Windows like defense kind of thing, but yeah. So like for me, it's going to be like, it's already patched, you want to remove it? Sometimes I do that, you know why? Because it doesn't really matter. And also, sometimes I install a mod, and then this is already like modded, right? And then if you don't run this again, it won't like reinstate like the mods that you're running. Like now it's like, yeah, we got mods, whatever. But if you add a mod to the mod folder in between running it, I believe you have to run it as well. And if there's ever an update to the game, you have to run this again as well, because it's a new instance of the game it's latching to and whatever. That's how you can figure out if they update the game, you know, without telling you or anybody. It's pretty cool. They do that. Don't worry. Yeah, that's pretty much it to mod Darktide. I know this is a really bad like instruction thing, but like, I don't know. Maybe somebody will figure out how to do it better from this video, and then they can make like a better video with like editing and whatever. I don't care, you know? So that's it. Thanks for watching.